Hello everyone, welcome back to Nail Art by Nessa. I am Vanessa and you can call me Nessa. In this AliExpress stamping nail art haul, we will be looking at video game and sci-fi related stamping plates. Let's get started. For my first package, I have a guest speaker, my 4-year-old nephew, and he's going to explain the first two plates. He showed up, he was just so excited about having Star Wars stamping plates that he wanted to get in on the action, and he also made me put a few stamped images on his fingers, so I've added those images at the end of his explanation. Before he starts speaking, this package I ordered at May 29th, it arrived June 24th. It's from the NIAL PREETY store and I paid $10.13. Okay, take it away, Byron. Okay, Byron, can you tell me, what is this? What is that called?
An ATDT.
An ATDT?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And what's this one? This is a Star Destroyer?
Death Star.
The Death Star, of course. And anything else? What are these symbols for? Can you tell me what the symbols are?
One of them's a bad guy symbol, one of them...
Well, which one's the good one and which one's the bad one? Can you point to it for me?
Bad guy, good guy.
Bad guy? Good guy?
Uh-huh.
Okay. What about this one?
Well, that one's another good guy.
Okay. Do you know? Don't know? What about this one? Is that a good guy or a bad guy? You don't know? Okay. Okay. What are the names of these characters? What's that guy?
BB-8.
BB-8. Okay. And what about this guy?
Kylo Ren.
Kylo Ren. Okay. And do you know what this guy's name is?
Boba Fett.
Boba Fett. Okay, perfect.
Boba Fett.
Perfect.
Not Boba Fett.
Boba Fett. Okay, that's important. And this is another stormtrooper, right? But he's got a different mask?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
He's one of Kylo Ren's troopers.
Okay. Perfect, thank you. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my nephew's explanation of these two plates. So for this one, it was SP number 23, and this one is SP number 24. Alright, for my next plate, SP number 22, this is a Star Trek themed plate. I'll admit I'm a bit of a Trekkie. So we have the Live Long and Prosperous signs here, the Enterprise, I believe that's for the Klingons. So we have all the different badges. Yeah, it's a pretty cool plate. Symbol for the Federation. Okay, and my last plate in this package, SP number 5, and this one has all the minions on it. Not sure, maybe a Totoro. Jack Skeleton, I believe, from The Nightmare Before Christmas. And I think that's Olaf from Frozen. Not having kids makes it difficult to know what all the characters are. Okay, let's move on to the next package. I ordered this May 1st. It arrived June 25th. It was $10.01. And it's also from the NIAL PREETY store, and all of these prices are in Canadian dollars, just a reminder. Alright, so with this plate, it's Stampaholic number 5. I actually ordered Stampaholic number 8, but unfortunately this is what they sent me. The one that I was trying to order, it was more Mario related and other sort of gaming. It had some Tetris and things like that. So this one is actually all Pokemon, as you can see. Of course, on closer inspection, I did realize it does have quite a few Mario characters as well. So you can see Mario here holding the shell. Let's see, where were the other characters? You have a ghost, it looks like from Pac-Man, and then Ghosty from Mario. We have Donkey Kong, and it looks like Yoshi there, a flying turtle, Bowser, and I'm not sure, but it looks like this Bowser might layer. And you have another Ghosty. So there are some the characters I was looking for, and they are really good because they are just the outlines, so you can make decals out of them. And then over here we do have Scooby-Doo as well. Yeah, so it was not what I was looking for, so I did get a refund for this plate, and I went ahead and reordered from the same company the plate that I was looking for, so number 8. So my next package here, I ordered this one, June 25th. It arrived July 13th, and it was $12.13. And I did order these gems with it, so that was the extra $2. And as you can see, it's all different seashells, like a few turtles there, starfish, and it looks like some suns. Okay, so for the plate, I did contact them to make sure that they were going to send me the right plate this time, and they did. However, for some reason, they sent me 2 of the same plate. So basically, I paid $10 and received 3 plates. 2 of the one I originally ordered and 1 that I hadn't. Okay, so let's take a look at this plate. So as you can see, Mario, and we have the little tubes that he goes down. We have Pac-Man, Pac-Woman, and we have some pixelated characters here, Tetris. We have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. We do have some Star Wars characters as well. We have BB-8 again, the Star Wars symbol. I believe that's Rolling Stones. We have Superman. So we have lots of different characters in this one, which is really fun, and lots of Mario. But one thing I have noticed is looking at it, you can see that these ones are all filled in. So my question is, how do you pick that up to make it look good? Because you want his shoe to be black, you want his coveralls to be red, you want his mustache to be black, and his hat to be red. So I'm not really sure how to use these. I'll have to play around with them. But the outline characters are great because we can actually make decals out of them and color them in how we want. But anyway, so continuing to look at this plate, we have some Playboy, an elephant, we've got Nirvana, Hello Kitty, I believe those are the Powderpuff Girls. And then we also have some Disney characters here in silhouette. So it looks like Aladdin and Jasmine. We got Donald and Daisy, Mickey and Minnie. Maybe Aurora, I'm not sure, and her prince. Belle and the Beast, and I think it's Ariel and her prince. We have a unicorn. And then we have more Mario here, but once again, I'm not sure how I would use these because you want their mustaches to be dark and their clothing to be the color that they normally wear. So, whereas this one is great because once again, it's an outline. Yeah, and then down here, it reminds me of the Batman, the old Batman TV series. Alright, so yeah, really cool plates, I think. Should we do some stamping? Let's check them out. Alright, let's test this out. For today, I'm going to use this stamper. I'm just going to use the top bit. This is the one that I got from the Nail Girl store. I'll be using this Beauty Big Bang scraper. One thing to note about the Beauty Big Bang scrapers is, as you can see, the design does come off when you use acetone. Alright, let's just take this blue layer off. I do not recommend picking at it with your nail like I am. Alright, got that off. It was difficult, but I did it. Okay, let's try out this Mario right to start. Oh, I picked up really well. Yeah, he looks really good. All right, so for the next bit, I'm just gonna speed it up so that you can see more in a shorter amount of time. All right, let's go. Okay, so here are a bunch of the images that I stamped. For whatever reason, I had a hard time transferring the red and the green to the paper. But as you saw, it transferred onto my nail. It's not the best background for the image, but it did transfer. And all of them are extremely detailed. They turn out really well, and even the ones that are very fine down here, they still do pick up quite nicely. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Live long and prosperous, and may the force be with you. Bye!